Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new viewer, thank you so much for watching. Today I'm sharing with you chocolate chips cookies, so stay tuned and let's get into cookies baking. All the ingredients will be on room temperature, guys. I have 190 gram all-purpose flour, 150 gram butter, 100 gram chocolate chips, 30 gram corn flour. I have 75 gram light brown sugar, 75 gram granulated sugar, 100 gram chopped almond, 100 gram shaved bitter chocolate, and then we have 1 egg, we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar, we have half a teaspoon baking powder or baking soda, and then we have 1/8 of a teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon salt. We will start with our wet ingredient, which is first our room temperature butter, light brown sugar and granulated sugar. Use a whisk, spatula or a spoon to generously combine all this until you have a light creamy texture. There's so much fun to bake these cookies with the kids during the Xmas period, and I love these cookies for one thing, the crunchiness outside and chewy inside. After which I have achieved this creamy texture, I am going to introduce my room temperature egg. If you are not early enough to bring out your egg in time, please bring your egg in a very low warm water for at least 10 minutes. This way your egg will be fine to bake your cookies. So add in your egg at this point and also continue just to mix for some minutes. It's time to add in every other ingredient. First is my sieved flour, and then I added my corn flour and every other ingredient like the chocolate chips, the salt to taste, cinnamon powder, bitter chocolate chips. Introduce everything. This will make it easier for you to incorporate all the ingredients at a time. I'm going to use my hands and incorporate everything gently without overdoing it. Guys, I went for chocolate chips for one reason. It does not easily get melt even on a high heat. If you go for chocolate chunks, it will get melt. If you prefer that, it's also fine. It tastes also amazing. But I love to have that bite in my cookies. That's why I went for chocolate chips. After achieving our chocolate dough, I'm going to scoop out a small size about 3 to 4 centimeters. You can, if you want it a little bit smaller, go for 3 centimeters or so about, and then roll it out on your palm to achieve this ball shape. Drop on your baking sheet, leaving a space in between them. I have rolled out everything. All together we have 15 cookies. So bring to a fridge to rest for at least 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, I'm going to bring out some out of this baking sheet. Like I said earlier, we need enough space to bake. So I'm going to bake just 9 on one baking sheet on an 170 degrees C for about 14 minutes on a preheated oven. And then I'll bake the second set and we will see what it looks like. After achieving this light gold brown, your cookies are ready. The first set has cooled down. Here we go, the second set. If it's still hot, of course it's still soft. If you want it flat, please just press down a little bit to flatten it. But it's just fine because I love the shape. See that little brownie inside? It's very crunchy outside, very crunchy, and inside it's so chewy. I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. This recipe is the easiest recipe I know for cookies. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. The first baked ones have cooled down. This is what inside looks like, chewy and outside crunchy. And the second baked one, it's a little bit still hot. Just let it cool down and you are ready to enjoy your cookies. This is what it looks like. Every bite there is chocolate and nuts. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I appreciate you all. Compliment of the season. Please don't forget to like this video and leave your comment down below. See you in my next one, you all. Bye for now.